here at my client's name is Jasmine. She bought this house. She didn't tell her kids. So they're walking in. We're all going to surprise them with this new house of theirs.
Where you at? Okay, babe, where you at? There you go.
Oh, there. Okay.
Okay, here you go. There's a little step right there.
I can't see.
No, you have to trust. You have to trust. You can't freak out. There's another step.
Step, guys.
Another step?
I'm going to go around.
Yeah, there you go. You have to trust. Right there? Okay, now step down. There's another step. Oh, yeah. Allison, just it's right here. Don't be scared. Okay, another step. Another step. Another step. All right. There you go. Okay. Now you guys can take off your jackets. Surprise!
Surprise! This is your new house.
This is our new home.
Oh, your new house.
Your house.
Are you excited? Oh my god. What? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Check this place out.
Oh yeah.
Oh, go check your room.
You guys happy?
Yeah, I know.
Thank you guys. Alright, so that was a big surprise.
Where's my
Anthony, all the way here, I was like, don't look. And I was like, left, right. I never take the gap, so I took the gap.
You guys see the view from over here? Look at the mountains.
Josh.